Hello everyone out there in Wasabi Land. Today we're going to show you how to make an amazing sorbet. It's a wasabi coconut lime sorbet and it's super easy to make. The foundation of your sorbet is wasabi stalk juice. So this is made from the stalks of the leaves. It's the leaf stalk and you just put it through a juicer. We made that video. So now I'm going to tell you how to make the coconut lime wasabi sorbet. It's really simple and it only has a few ingredients. So here's what you need. First of all, obviously you need your wasabi stalk juice, your culinary wasabi juice, and some coconut milk. And coconut milk in a can has the cream in it, and that's important. So you can't use the coconut kind of milk that you would put on granola or something like that. You need the coconut milk that has the cream. So 1 can of coconut milk. And then this recipe, I used a 1/2 cup of sugar. You could substitute sugar for agave syrup or honey or maple syrup or anything like that, but a little bit of a sweetener is nice. We used a 1/2 cup. And then some lime. So anywhere from 1 to 2 limes. What you're gonna do, you're gonna use the zest. So use a zester. You're gonna use the zest and the juice. So juice it just in a little citrus juicer. And you're gonna take all of these ingredients, your wasabi juice, your coconut, your lime, and your sugar, and just mix it up in a bowl. And then put it in your ice cream maker. And if you don't happen to have an ice cream maker, put it into your bowl, whip it up really well. So, stir it for 3 or 4 minutes, and then you can just put it into a plastic container and put it into your freezer. And it'll freeze, it'll be a little bit more icy than ice cream, but either way, you're gonna get this beautiful light green wasabi coconut lime sorbet.